This is an easy guide on how to create fabric roses in less than 5 minutes. Keep watching. A soft fabric is best for this project, so I'm working with a satin fabric. The measurements I'm using is 6 inches for my width and 44 inches for my length. Fold your fabric into two just like this and stitch both edges with a 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Cut off the excess seam allowance on both sides and turn it over to the right side. I'll take this to my ironing board and I'm going to give it a good press. I'm done pressing it and you can see how flat and smooth it looks. The next thing I'm supposed to do is to weave the edges to give it a clean look, but I don't have a weaving machine handy, so I'm just going to skip that part. But make sure you weave yours for neat finishing. Get your hand needle ready with a matching color of thread and let's get to work. I'm just going to flip the edge over to form a triangle. With my needle, I will make a loose running stitch along the edge. When you get to the end of the triangle, stop sewing. I'm going to measure out 9 inches from the end of the triangle. Holding my 9 inches mark, I'm going to make a double fold to touch the tip of the first triangle we made. Please watch carefully to see what I am doing. I'm going to pick the double fold and I'll fold it again to form another triangle. Then I'll continue my sewing till the end of the triangle. I went on to mark 9 inches throughout the entire length of my fabric. I repeated the process of double fold and folding it over to form a triangle, and then I continued my stitch. Repeat this process till you get to the end of your fabric. I have 5 triangles here, which are 5 petals for a 44 inches length strip. So for you to get more petals, you have to increase the length of your fabric. Gather up the fabric loosely. Make a tight knot when you're done gathering it and cut off the thread. Flip it over to the other side where the triangle is not very prominent. Starting from the first triangle, apply glue all over the length of the fabric. Fold it inwards just like this and apply little pressure to make it stick. Repeat the process of applying glue and folding till you get to the end of the fabric. And this is what underneath looks like. If you have weaved yours, it will be a whole lot neater than this. Use your hand to slightly spread open the petals and allow this to dry. And there we have a beautiful fabric rose. This is a simple DIY project that requires little or no skilled expertise in sewing. You can use this as a brush or a hairpin or an embellishment for your dress just to enhance the overall look of your outfit. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.